Hello and welcome to my video all about how to knit the double slip stitch rib. This is more of a false rib pattern because we're not going to be alternating between knits and purls. In fact, we're not going to be doing any purl stitches at all, and instead we're just going to be slipping the stitches purlwise. This is a pretty simple pattern, and the first thing you need to do is cast on a multiple of 4 stitches. I've cast on 16 using the long tail cast on, but you could use your favourite method. Then for row 1, which represents the right side or the front of the knitting, you're just going to do a knit row. So that's just knit stitches all the way across. Then for row 2, which represents the wrong side of the knitting, you need to begin with 2 knit stitches. Then we need to slip 2 stitches purlwise with the yarn in front. So bring the working yarn between the needles to the front, and then take the right hand needle down through the front of the next stitch as if to purl, but instead of purling it, you just slip it off the end of the needle, like so. And repeat. So now you've slipped 2 stitches purlwise, and that's why this is called the double slip stitch rib. Now all you need to do is repeat knit 2 and slip 2 stitches purlwise over and over across this row. So make sure the working yarn is at the back and knit 2. Then bring the working yarn to the front again and slip 2. Take the working yarn to the back and knit 2. And to the front and slip 2. And so on. And that's it, that's the 2-row pattern repeat. Here you can see the result after I've knit that a few more times. As you can see, it does look like normal ribbing, except this time the vertical ribs are made from slip stitches rather than stockinette stitch, and in my opinion the slip stitches do make it look a bit prettier. However, you can also see it's not reversible, as the back looks like garter stitch but with some ridges. And that's it, that's how you knit the double slip stitch rib. I really hope you found that useful, and thank you very much for watching.